To utilize Honey Cashback, start by creating an account. Using a Chrome browser, access the account through the provided link. Then click Add Honey and Add to Chrome to install the plugin. After installation, create a free account by selecting Join Honey and opting to join with PayPal. Once set up, shop online by searching for desired items and selecting them from participating stores that offer Honey coupons. Ensure the items are eligible for Honey coupons. Then proceed to checkout. Select Pay with PayPal. Review the total, and click Apply Coupon. To activate cashback, visit eligible online stores, where Honey will display a count of available coupons on the extension in the top right corner of the screen. Click the extension to view the items. Then click the Activate Cashback button and select the items to shop. Over time, track the amount earned by clicking Activity from the Honey homepage. When ready, click Redeem to PayPal to send the cashback to a PayPal account. This process allows users to easily earn and redeem cashback rewards through Honey.